You are special. Not in spite of them, but because of them. I came back because I wanted to see what has become of my sons. And I'm going to England. And I thought that you all might want to join. My sons know that I've come to Wessex to see you. What do you think they'll do once they hear of my death? They will come over here and they will rip the lungs out of all of you. There will be no escape. They will avenge me. I always knew in my heart that I would see you again.